Did you know that the secret to radiant skin, lustrous hair, and a peaceful mind might be growing in your backyard? Today, we're diving into the world of lemongrass oil, nature's multi-purpose miracle worker. And the best part? You can make it right at home. Introduction. Hey, natural remedy enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy. I'm your name, and today we're unlocking the power of lemongrass oil. Forget expensive store-bought versions, we're going DIY, and I promise, it's easier than you think. Main points. 1. Benefits of lemongrass oil. Before we start, let's talk about why you need this in your life. 1. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. 2. Natural insect repellent. 3. Reduces inflammation and muscle pain. 4. Promotes relaxation and reduces stress. 5. Improves digestion. 6. Enhances skin and hair health. 2. Ingredients and tools. Here's what you'll need. 1. Fresh lemongrass stalks, about 1 pound. 2. Carrier oil, coconut, jojoba, or sweet almond oil. 3. A large jar with a tight-fitting lid. 4. Cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. 5. Dark glass bottles for storage. 3. Preparation method. Let's get started. 1. Wash the lemongrass stalks thoroughly and pat them dry. 2. Chop the stalks into small pieces, about 1 inch long. 3. Place the chopped lemongrass in your jar. 4. Pour your chosen carrier oil over the lemongrass, making sure it's completely covered. 5. Seal the jar tightly and shake well. 4. Infusion process. Now, patience is key. 1. Place the jar in a warm, dark place for 2-4 weeks. 2. Shake the jar gently every day to help the infusion process. 3. After 2-4 weeks, strain the oil through cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer. 4. Transfer the infused oil into dark glass bottles for storage. 5. Usage tips. Here's how to make the most of your homemade lemongrass oil. 1. For skin, mix a few drops with your moisturizer for a refreshing boost. 2. For hair, add a few drops to your shampoo or conditioner for shine and scalp health. 3. For massage, blend with a carrier oil for a soothing muscle rub. 4. For aromatherapy, use in a diffuser or add a few drops to your bath. 5. For cleaning, mix with water in a spray bottle for a natural, fragrant cleaner. Conclusion. And there you have it, your very own, all-natural lemongrass oil. Not only is this method cost-effective, but you also know exactly what's going into your oil. No additives, no preservatives, just pure, natural goodness. Call to action. If you enjoyed this video and want more natural remedy tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your lemongrass oil creations in the comments below, and let me know what other home remedies you'd like to see next.